We're here at the Sully Community Center, and we're here to inaugurate and celebrate the Purple Can Club and launch our 27th Purple Can here in Fairfax County. So glass recycling here at these purple bins is super easy. Bring your glass, drop them in the bin, and what will happen is that glass is actually going to go to a processor where they make furnace-ready cullet and other glass materials that get it truly recycled. So that cullet actually will end up at a bottle manufacturer where they make new container glass, creating a circular system for that glass. Ultimately, the glass can go over and over again through the system. It takes about 30 days for a glass container that ends up in one of these bins to be back on the shelf as a new container.
If we think about the more than 1 million people that live here in Fairfax County and all of the businesses that make our lives possible, we do a good job already at managing the amount of solid waste that we generate as humans every single day. We recycle almost 45% of the waste that we generate as a community.
We launched the Purple Can Club back in 2019, and since then we've recycled over 50 million pounds of glass. That's 25,000 plus tons of glass that's truly getting recycled. So when Chris is talking about the big numbers and that aspirational goal that we're striving for with the 90% diversion from waste energy, know that glass is one of those mechanisms, and our success to date is really proof that we can continue to divert materials as a community if we dedicate the time and the effort to do so.
So I want you all to spread the word to your neighbors and friends. We do a great job in this community recycling glass, and I know it'll be easier for everybody now. And thank you, Chris, for all the work for this.
So people can go visit our website. It's a great location with lots of information on how to recycle glass and where to find our purple cans throughout our community.